everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today just to touch base with you guys. I know it's been a while, but I have a new collection coming out. I mentioned it before in another video, the Noir Beautiful collection, and it's either going to already be launched by the time this video airs, or it's going to be getting ready to launch. So I just wanted to show you a couple of jewels that are in the collection, and I'll probably try to put a couple photos at the end of this video just so you can see like some of the jewels. It's all black. It's black and gold, black and copper, and black and silver, hence the name Noir Beautiful. So I'm wearing a couple right now. I will show you. Okay, I have my trusty notebook. So on this right side I have Caprice, and I will definitely put the names here so you can see it. Caprice, Black Swarovski, and Hematite Swirl. So you can see here how it looks. It's a lot like the Classy Smoky Gold, but it's just with black. So I think that's gonna be a pretty good bestseller. And like my shirt right now, I'm wearing this shirt, Dream Without Fear, Love Without Limits. And I just got it from like Ross, so I didn't buy it from any place special, but it is black and gold, and it just does kind of work with the jewelry that I'm wearing today. At the bottom here, let's see, we have this one. It's called Celeste Labradorite Black Onyx Lock Jewel. So it has labradorite in it. And I'm looking over here, see if it focuses. There you go. So there's the labradorite right there. Swarovski Onyx. So you can see that. And then the other one, just so you can see it in focus. So I don't know if you could see it, had seen it in focus very well. There, so you can see those two. And then I have the next one is Kizzie Smoking Cherry Agate Onyx Horn Lock Jewel. So all of them are named by from different women, not any woman in particular, but just women's names. I thought it would be easier for this collection to do that. Let me find that one. Okay. Oh, that's the one with the horn. So that's this one right here that's hanging down. So you can see there. And then I'll let you see. There. And it has this little horn. I'm hoping, this is onyx. I'm hoping to make some earrings from this too, but we'll see. Then the next one is Lorraine Freshwater Pearl. This is like the only pearl in the collection, so there is one pearl. And I'm looking right here. See, here you go. Oh no, that's not it. It's up top here. Yeah, here it is. There. Yep. And so, there's a lot of different kinds of jewels. I just figured I'd wear some gold today because the gold is going through, the gold is kind of what I'm wearing. So I just figured I'd just wear gold. But anyways, have this one. So I can show you guys right there. I should have the name for this one by the time I launch it. Then I have this one. This one's black tourmaline. And let's see. I still have this satellite, the silver satellite in. So you can see this will go nicely with some of the pieces in this collection. I have one model that's modeling the copper, another one's modeling the gold, but everything is going to be black stones. So it'll be like onyx or black stone or something like that. So I'm really excited about this collection. It's different than the ones I've done in the past. It also has some sister lock jewels in there too, so I didn't forget the sister lockers. But that's it. Thank you for visiting my channel, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.